Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's perfect for anyone looking to boost their fitness, improve their health, and even reduce their carbon footprint: the incredible benefits of cycling. Whether you're an avid cyclist or just getting started, you'll want to stick around as we explore how this simple activity can transform your cardiovascular health, strengthen your muscles, help manage weight, and so much more. Let's hit the road and discover why cycling might just be the perfect workout for you. First, improves cardiovascular health. Cycling is a powerful way to enhance your heart and circulatory system. When you cycle, your heart pumps more blood, supplying oxygen to your muscles. This consistent activity strengthens the heart muscle, allowing it to work more efficiently. As your heart becomes stronger, it can pump more blood with each beat, reducing the number of beats needed, which lowers your resting heart rate over time. By improving blood flow, cycling helps keep arteries flexible and clear of blockages, reducing the risk of high blood pressure, strokes, and heart attacks. It also improves lung function by encouraging deeper breathing, allowing the lungs to take in more oxygen. This can improve oxygen delivery to tissues, boosting energy and endurance. Helps in weight management. Cycling is an excellent way to burn calories and manage weight effectively. On average, cycling can burn anywhere between 400 to 1,000 calories per hour, depending on intensity and individual body weight. It's a full-body workout that engages multiple muscle groups, particularly the legs, core, and back, which means more energy is used, contributing to fat loss. When combined with a well-balanced, nutritious diet, cycling can promote a calorie deficit, which is essential for weight loss. Moreover, cycling can increase your metabolism, so even after you finish a ride, your body continues to burn calories at a higher rate than normal. Boosts joint mobility. Cycling is a low-impact exercise, meaning it puts less strain on your joints compared to high-impact activities like running or jumping. The smooth, repetitive motion of pedaling is excellent for maintaining joint health, particularly in the knees, hips, and ankles. This makes cycling suitable for people of all ages and fitness levels, including those with joint issues or arthritis. The circular pedaling motion helps lubricate the joints, promoting better range of motion while strengthening the muscles around the joints to provide more support. Because cycling is low impact, it allows for an effective workout without the risk of injury or long-term damage to the joints. Improves lung health. Cycling can significantly improve lung capacity and respiratory function over time. As you ride, your body demands more oxygen to fuel your muscles, which increases your breathing rate. Over time, your lungs adapt to this demand, increasing their capacity to take in oxygen and expel carbon dioxide more efficiently. This means that not only do you become better at breathing during physical activity, but your overall lung health improves. Better lung efficiency can result in improved endurance, a higher energy level, and better performance in other aerobic activities. Additionally, regular cycling reduces the risk of respiratory diseases by keeping your lungs active and healthy. Thanks for watching. I hope you found today's video helpful and now feel inspired to hop on a bike and start reaping the amazing benefits of cycling. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more health and fitness tips. And if you're already cycling, drop a comment below and share your experience with us. And I will also recommend you to watch other videos on this channel. Links are on screen now. Keep pedaling towards a healthier, happier you, and I'll see you in the next video.